Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Janice. So for today's vlog, I just want to share with you guys one of the aromatic Indian dessert called Vermicelli kheer or Syrian kheer as it is known in India. It is specially made for a festivals or any celebration. So if you like this video, just keep on watching and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So, let's begin! These are all the ingredients that we are going to use for today's vlog. We have pistachio, raisins, walnut, almond nut, cardamom, saffron. Saffron can be optional, fresh dates, cashew nuts, butter, sugar, milk, and vermicelli. Actually, in this recipe, I'm using butter, but if you have ghee, it's better to use that. So let's start for the cooking. First, make the pot hot and then add the butter. Now we are going to roast the nuts. And the cardamom as well. Make sure the nuts are roasted properly, otherwise it will be soggy. So once the nuts will be roasted, take it out. And then we can put the vermicelli. Just roast the vermicelli properly until it will be golden color. You can see that. It's almost. So there you go. We'll just roast it 1 more minute and then we can add the milk. Then we can add some sugar. Wait until the vermicelli will be cooked. And now you can add the raisins, dates, then the roasted nuts. And to give a little color, just add saffron milk. So now, as you can see, it's already cooked. Wow! So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So happy Diwali everyone, and I hope you guys are safe and healthy. God bless you all. Bye. See you on my next vlog.